What's up everyone, Suraj here from Be10x. In the ever-evolving world of AI, a new challenger has emerged and it's making waves. I'm talking about SenseNova 5.0, a large language model from China that's shaking things up. Be10x is here to break down the facts and see if SenseNova 5.0 deserves the hype. But before we dive into the LLM showdown, a quick reminder. Be10x has an exclusive workshop on mastering AI tools for busy professionals. The link is down in the description below.
9 rupees. 9 rupees cannot even buy you this packet of biscuit. But what if I tell you that 9 rupees can help you save your job? What if I tell you that 9 rupees can 3x your salary? Yes, this is possible because I am going to conduct a workshop at just rupees 9 on ChatGPT and other AI tools, which is highly recommended for all working professionals out there.
We will not only show you how to leverage cutting-edge LLMs like SenseNova 5.0, but also explore other powerful AI tools to supercharge your workflow. Now, let's see if SenseNova 5.0 lives up to the hype. At a recent tech event, SenseTime unveiled the SenseNova 5.0, their most advanced AI model yet. This update is huge. It blows past GPT-4 in every way you can measure. The launch showed off a bunch of new AI features that work on everything from big cloud systems to your own devices, setting a new high standard in the AI world. The SenseNova 5.0, also known as the Daily SenseNova 5, uses a hybrid architecture and has been trained on more over 10 terabytes of token data, including a lot of synthetic data. The latest version can handle a 200K context window during interface, which greatly improves its performance in various areas like processing knowledge, doing math, logical thinking, and coding. What really makes the SenseNova 5.0 sets it apart is not just the huge amount of data it's trained on or its advanced architecture, but also how it stacks up against and outperforms the well-known GPT-4 Turbo. It is great at creative writing, deep thinking, and even complex tasks like understanding visuals. One of the highlights of SenseNova 5.0 is its leading-edge multimodal abilities. The model has scored top marks on the authoritative multimodality benchmark MBench, excelling in other multimodal rankings such as Math, Vista, AI 2D, and ChartQA. And these skills are not just for show. They are very useful in real-life tasks. The model can handle tasks like enabling high-resolution long image parsing, complex cross-document knowledge extraction, and interactive text-to-image generation. Its utility extends through various verticals, including education, finance, healthcare, and government services. For instance, in finance and data analysis, SenseNova 5.0 has demonstrated enhanced quantitative reasoning and coding abilities, making it a valuable tool for companies looking to leverage AI for complex decision-making process. Seeing the importance of computing that doesn't rely on central systems, SenseTime has also rolled out a comprehensive set of big model products meant for use on local devices. This lineup includes the SenseTime Edge Slide Large Model and the SenseTime Integrated Large Model Enterprise, which are both fine-tuned for fast computing and low computer processor use, cutting down on operating costs. The SenseNova Edge Slide Large Language Model boasts impressive processing speed, handling up to 18.3 words per second on mid-range devices and 78.3 words per second on the top-end devices. Also, the Edge Slide LLM AI technology can produce very high-quality images with over 12 million pixels and offers advanced editing options like adjusting size, free-shaped changes, and rotating images. The capabilities of this AI model were on full display during SenseTime's Tech Day, with demonstrations that ranged from AI-driven gaming to complex calorie calculation based on image data. Big names like Kingsoft Office, Young Securities, and Xiaomi were all praising the event. They are all using SenseTime's AI to make their businesses more innovative and efficient. The new features and uses they presented not only prove this model works really well, but also suggest it could set new standards for the industry. What really exciting about SenseNova 5.0 is how it measures up against OpenAI's ChatGPT-4. Reports suggest SenseNova 5.0 surpasses GPT-4 on nearly all benchmarks, which is testament to its superior training regime and architectural choices. This is not just a triumph in terms of technical metrics, but a signal to the global AI community about the rapid evolution and potential dominance of Chinese AI technology in the global market. Further exploring its multimodal capability, SenseNova 5.0 supports intricate multimodal interaction, which include text-to-image generation and video creation from textual descriptions. At application level, the AI model excels in tasks that require a deep integration of knowledge and reasoning, from complex question answering systems and cross-document summarization to detailed image understanding and interactive media generation. The introduction of SenseTime integrated large model especially addresses the growing demand for efficient and powerful AI solutions in the corporate sector. This model drastically reduces inference costs by approximately 80% while operating at only 50% CPU utilization, showcasing not only technological advancement but also significant economic benefits. SenseTime collaboration with industry leaders like Huawei, Tencent, and others underscores the model integration into broader business and technological frameworks. These partnerships are crucial as they provide real-world feedback and scenarios that continuously refine the model's capability. Looking forward, SenseTime is not resting on its laurels. The company is actively exploring new applications of the SenseNova 5.0 across various domains, including transportation and office software. The AI model's flexibility and scalability suggest that its future application could revolutionize how businesses and government operate, making AI more integral part of everyday solutions. When its unmatched performance, wide range of uses, and a smart solution for big businesses, SenseNova 5.0 is more than just another option in the AI market. It's a trailblazer creating new standards for what AI can do. This innovative tool should be getting more attention and talked about more because it's not just competing with existing systems like GPT-4, but it's also changing our expectations for future AI technologies. The field of AI is constantly evolving. Join our AI Tools and ChatGPT workshop and learn how to leverage cutting-edge LLMs like SenseNova 5.0 and ChatGPT-4 to become an AI pro. The workshop link is waiting for you in the description below and unlock the full potential of AI in your work. So what are you waiting for? Like this video, subscribe to our channel for more awesome AI content, and leave a comment below telling me which LLM you are most curious about. Remember, Be10x is your one-stop shop for mastering AI. See you in the workshop.